If one tiny island disappeared tomorrow, your phone would stop working, your bank account would take a hit, and the US military would be on high alert within hours. That island is smaller than Switzerland. Most Americans couldn't even point to it on a map, but it quietly controls your entire life. Wall Street depends on it. Your 401k depends on it. The Pentagon has war plans built entirely around it. We're not exaggerating for views here. This is one of the only places on Earth where a single bad morning could hit the whole planet within days. Welcome to Taiwan. By the time this video's over, you're going to look at your iPhone completely differently. Let's get into why. Forget oil, forget gold, forget everything you were taught mattered in world politics. The real currency right now is smaller than your fingernail. It's a microchip. And there's one company sitting on this one island that makes almost all the advanced ones on the planet. It's called TSMC. Hey, I'm Jackie, and today we're talking about why this one company on this one island might be the most important thing on the planet you've never heard of. Never heard of it? Doesn't matter. It's basically running your life anyway. TSMC produces something like 90% of the world's most advanced semiconductors. Your iPhone runs on their chips. The self-driving features in your car? Same story. Half the servers powering ChatGPT and Google's AI systems? Also them. Even America's most advanced fighter jets depend on chip designs that trace directly back to this island. Nobody's caught up. Not the US, not China. Intel poured billions into trying to match them and still fell years behind. Samsung's tried too. Same result. Some of these chips are thinner than a strand of hair, and they're arguably the most important object on the planet right now. So when people say Taiwan matters, they don't mean it politically. They mean the entire global economy is quietly stacked on top of one factory floor, and that factory floor happens to sit in the middle of one of the tensest military standoffs on Earth. China claims Taiwan is theirs, full stop. It's baked into how they see their own country. The US says otherwise, and for decades has quietly promised to step in if China ever tries to take it by force. Nobody in Washington says this loudly, but everyone in the region already knows the deal. Chinese warships circle the island constantly now. Fighter jets cross into Taiwan's airspace almost weekly. This isn't posturing, it's practice. Every single flyover is a rehearsal for a war nobody's officially declared yet. If China actually moves on Taiwan, the US gets stuck with an ugly choice. Let the world's chip supply fall straight into Beijing's hands, or send American forces into the most dangerous standoff since the Cold War. There's no clean option here, just bad and worse than bad. Two nuclear powers, one small island, and a decision that could spiral into something the world hasn't dealt with in 80 years. So what does this actually mean for you? Let's walk through it. Say, China blockades Taiwan tomorrow. Not a full invasion, just ships surrounding the island. No chips get out. Within days, Apple can't manufacture new iPhones. Not delayed, gone. Car plants across the country start shutting down, not because of strikes, but because they're missing chips they can't get anywhere else. Wall Street starts bleeding. Tech stocks fall first, and everything else follows right behind them. That number you check on your 401k every couple of months without really thinking about it? It drops. Fast. Interest rates jump as governments panic. Inflation creeps back in. Groceries, gas, and rent all get more expensive within weeks. The kind of price jump that makes you double-check the receipt at checkout. And it doesn't stop with your wallet. Hospitals and the power grid rely on advanced chips too. This isn't just an iPhone problem. It's a keep-the-lights-on problem. Factories from Detroit to Texas would sit idle within a month, waiting on parts that never show up. This isn't some war story happening somewhere else. This is your grocery bill, your job, your retirement account, one blockade, on one island, and the entire American lifestyle hits a wall nobody saw coming. And here's the part that should really unsettle you. This isn't some far-off hypothetical. It's a live scenario sitting on a desk in the Pentagon right now. For decades, the only thing keeping the peace here has been fear. China's afraid of what happens if the US steps in. America's afraid of losing chip access completely. That mutual fear has somehow held this entire fragile system together. But fear doesn't hold forever. Not for either side. China's military keeps expanding. Its timeline keeps shrinking. And more analysts every year are quietly saying the same thing. Not if, When? Taiwan isn't just a small island anymore. It's the fault line running through the 21st century. The one place where economics, war, and technology all collide at once. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Your phone, your car, your job, your savings. All of it depends on peace holding on one small piece of land that two of the most powerful militaries on the planet are both willing to fight over. So next time your phone buzzes in your pocket, remember where it actually came from. And ask yourself one question. What happens the day that thread finally snaps?